We have seen many customers across organizations that have many documents, tons and tons of documents that they need to process on a daily basis. Companies do not have an automated process in being able to manage the document workflow. And as a result, the organizations, they are not able to leverage the insights on the content that these documents contain. The reason why this is important is because if you're able to extract content from these documents in an automated manner, and if you're able to understand what patterns of information is available in these documents, and you're able to use that to gain strategic insights, that's going to drive your profitability as well as your productivity. But considering that we are unable to do it because everything is manual currently, so we see organizations that are looking at a number of approaches that they have tried to be able to derive these insights from these documents. For example, some customers, they have, let's say, data entry applications, and they have teams of people that look at documents and they enter the documents manually in the data entry applications so that it's digitized and sent for further processing. But that's a very time intensive, cost prohibitive, inefficient approach. Some customers use rule engines, but these rule engines, they are not able to adapt to changing formats. And in some instances, we have seen customers try to, let's say, do a combination of manual and an automated approach using optical character recognition tools. But again, if you look at the infrastructure that is required to support these kind of operations, so that's very cost prohibitive as well as it's time consuming. And that is why, so we recommend to use AWS AI services that come with ready-made intelligence to do most of these tasks straight off the bat, directly off the shelf. We have these AI services which have ready-made intelligence. What that means is they are pre-trained. So you don't have to have any prior ML experience. You don't have to have any ML skills. You don't need to be a data scientist to use them. So these services provide APIs. You just call them just like you would call any API. But behind those APIs, you have very powerful machine learning models that can quickly understand your text, digitize your text, and be able to extract key and unique insights from your text. So how does a document processing pipeline look like? When we design the solution, all of your documents, your text corpuses documents that you receive from your vendors, partners, etc., we would like you to load that into a S3 bucket. An S3 is a simple storage service, which is a fully managed object storage solution from AWS. So once you load your documents into S3, we would attach something called an AWS Lambda trigger. And this Lambda function will then call the Amazon Textract API, which is called Analyze Document. And as the name indicates, it just looks at the documents in the bucket, S3 bucket, and it's able to quickly read through it and extract all the relevant information from those documents. So once that is extracted, we will have another Lambda function which will then take that extracted text content and send it to a natural language processing service that we have in the AI layer, which is called Amazon Comprehend. Comprehend can look at the text and be able to quickly identify patterns which you never knew existed in that text. And it's able to provide you relationships in text. It's able to provide you key entities, and these entities can be something that's relevant with respect to the context of the text, such as names, peoples, places, organizations, etc. You can also add your own models in Comprehend so that you can train it to recognize entities that are unique for your business. When you look at financial institutions and banks, these are highly regulated industries, and you take great care in making sure that your data is confidential and it's protected. So in order to enable that option within our machine learning document processing pipeline, we have Amazon Augmented AI. Amazon Augmented AI provides you the ability to set up a human review of your machine learning data and your machine learning predictions. The human review loop can ensure that confidential data is protected. It can also audit any machine learning predictions that you see. It can also review the content, and you're also able to make changes to the content. And the changed content is then sent to subsequent downstream systems, such as, for example, your data warehouse or your data lakes or any kind of BI and analytic services that you have, so that they are able to look at the augmented or the changed predictions. You can get it up and running very quickly, and it can also operate at limitless scale because AWS offers you the elasticity to be able to scale up your infrastructure up and down as you need. And as a result, if you're processing 100 documents today and you suddenly get a bunch of 1,000 documents coming up tomorrow, or maybe even hundreds of thousands of documents, you don't have to do a thing. The services that we have, they'll automatically scale up to handle that volume. And they will scale down once that demand has been satisfied.